Passing the Core Web Vitals assessment is crucial for the success of any WordPress website. If you're not sure where to start, this video will explain how you can go about optimizing your Core Web Vitals thanks to WP Rocket. So first, what are Core Web Vitals exactly? Core Web Vitals are an initiative from Google designed to measure and improve user experience on the web. There are 3 Core Web Vitals metrics: largest Contentful Paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift, and they each measure a specific element of user experience. Let's start with largest Contentful Paint, or LCP. LCP measures how long it takes for the most meaningful content on your site to load. That's usually your site's hero section or featured image. A good score means that LCP should be less or equal to 2.5 seconds. And let's see which 5 steps you can take with WP Rocket to tackle a poor LCP grade. Render blocking resources like JavaScript files are one of the main causes of a bad LCP score. One way to eliminate the render blocking resources is to remove the JavaScript resources that are not actually used. In the File Optimization tab, select Delay JavaScript Execution. This will delay all JavaScript files until there's a user interaction. If this causes any issues on your site, simply add the scripts you do not want to delay to the exclusion list. And if you need any help using this feature, please take a look at our documentation on delaying JavaScript, which is available on our website. Render blocking resources such as CSS are another cause of bad LCP. One way to tackle this is to remove or reduce the unused CSS. WP Rocket can help you do this easily thanks to this feature in the File Optimization tab. When the feature is enabled, the plugin will remove or reduce the unused CSS from the HTML of each page. In the safe list, you can also specify CSS file names, IDs, or classes that should not be removed. If you run into any issues while using this feature, please take a look at our documentation on removing unused CSS, which is also available on our website. If this feature doesn't work for you, another way to tackle CSS is to defer both critical and non-critical CSS that are not relevant for rendering the page. You can indeed take advantage of the Load CSS asynchronously feature provided by WP Rocket. This feature will defer non-critical CSS and inline critical CSS. And you don't need to do anything else other than enable it. Deferring JavaScript files will also help you take care of render blocking resources and a bad LCP score. The easiest way to manage JavaScript resources is to take advantage of the Load JavaScript Deferred feature in the File Optimization tab. This way, you'll change the priority of the JavaScript files being loaded. And these files won't stop the page's rendering process. You can also easily exclude specific JavaScript files from being deferred, in case the feature conflicts with any file. Deferring JavaScript files is only helpful to fix your LCP score if the Delay JavaScript feature in the File Optimization tab isn't activated, or if you've excluded some files to be delayed. If all JavaScript files are already delayed, the Defer JavaScript option won't be very useful. Another way to optimize LCP is to minify CSS and JavaScript files. Minification comes down to optimizing your code by making it more compact. In the File Optimization tab, you'll have the opportunity to minify both CSS and JavaScript files. While lazy load helps improve loading time, it can actually make the LCP score worse, especially when the LCP element is an image and gets lazy loaded. For this reason, excluding the LCP element from lazy load and displaying it directly in the HTML of the page is an excellent way to optimize the LCP score. And so there you have it, our main tips to improve your LCP score with WP Rocket. And for more best practices, take a look at our Core Web Vitals resource hub.